How quickly does a heat pump heat the water? It depends on a number of factors, such as the pump's output, its efficiency, the tub's insulation, and most importantly, the ambient air temperature. In summer, heat-up times from fresh cold water to bather temperature of 37 to 38 degrees Celsius can be really quick, typically under 3 hours, as water out the cold tap can be over 20 degrees Celsius. In winter, however, the cold tap water temperature can drop to single figures, and if there isn't a lot of heat in the air, it means less can be extracted to exchange into heat for your tub. Having said that though, it will still be more efficient and cost effective than a hot tub's built-in heater.